Hi friends, this is Nirmal Patel from Akshar Education, and in this video we are going to do different questions in which we'll be finding out the area of the composite shape. So composite shape, that means this area will be consisting of couple of different rectangles, so rectangular triangles and things like that. So first questions, we do have this eye shape here. So if I want to find out this area, I cannot find out directly because we do not have any area formula for this eye shape directly. But what we can do is we can try to convert this given shape into a couple of regular shapes. So what am I going to do is I'll be just making a dotted line here. So this complete top bit is going to be my first part, which is a rectangle, and rectangle area I can find out. Second thing, I'm going to make the dotted line here. So this middle part is also going to be another rectangle, which I can find out the area of. So this is my part 2. And now the bottom bit is also another rectangle. I'm going to tell that part 3. So what am I going to do is, I'll be finding out area of 1, which is the top rectangle, area 2, which is the middle rectangle, and area 3, which is the bottom rectangle, and I'll be adding up all the area, and that is going to be the area of the total given shape. So first thing I'll be writing is area equal. So this area is the total area, which is the area 1 plus area 2 plus area 3. So this area plus this area plus this area, that is going to be my total required area. Now guys, my area 1 is a rectangle. What is the equation of a rectangle? So area of rectangle is nothing else but length multiplied by width, length times width. So my full focus on the top rectangle, what is the given length? 12 meter, width 2 meters. So length times width. So I can just do 12 multiplied by 2, and I'm done with my top rectangle. Now my focus is this middle rectangle, length times width. So I can consider anything length width, that's fine. So we can see this is 3 meter. So this is 3 and this is 5 meter. So 3 times 5, 3 times 5. That's what I'll be writing here, 3 multiplied by 5 plus the bottom rectangle also going to be length times width. So this length multiplied by this. But I don't know this length, guys. How long is this? But oh, it's given here 12 meter. So they are identical. So this must be 12 meter as well. So I can just do 12 meter multiplied by 2 meter, which is going to be 12 times 2. And now I got to just work it out. So 12 2s are 24, 5 3s are 15, and 12 2s are 24. Now you can be a bit more creative in adding, guys. Yeah, so I'll be adding 24 and 24 together, which makes life easier. So 24 plus 24 is 48 plus 15. Now if you want to do it faster, you can do 50 plus 15. So 50 plus 15 is 65, but then you can minus 2 because that's only 48. Yeah, so which is going to be 63, and that is going to be in square meter. You got to understand, guys, area is a two-dimensional thing, and this unit must be meter square, centimeter square, like this. So this is the end of our question number 1. Question number 2. Here we want to find out the area of this composite shape, and this composite shape is made up of 2 identical triangles and 1 rectangle in the middle. So we're going to find out the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, and area of this rectangle, and then we can add up everything together, and that is going to be the total area of this composite shape. So I can write down the area equal to area 1, which is the area of this triangle, plus area 2, which is going to be that triangle, plus area 3, which is the middle rectangle. Now to make our life a little bit easier, guys, we can understand this triangle and this triangle are exactly same. So their area are also going to be exactly same. So I can just find out the area of area 1 and I can multiply by 2. So that will take care of both the areas other than finding out this and that. Yeah. So one area I can find out and multiply by 2. So that can take care of both the triangles. So 2 times area 1. That will take care of area 1 and area 2 plus area 3, which is a rectangle that I got to do it. Now, area 1 is a triangle. What is the formula for area of triangle? So that formula is 1/2 base times height. So 1/2 base times height. That is my area of the triangle formula. Now the middle part is rectangle, and area of rectangle formula is length multiplied by width. Now we can just cancel out this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out. B and H I'll put down. So in triangle, what is the base? My base of the triangle is this one. This is the base, which is 12 meter, and this is the height of the triangle, which is 6. So I can just put down 12 multiplied by 6, as 1/2 and 2 is already cancelled out, plus length times width. That is for the rectangle. So in this rectangle, I can see my length is 3, width is 12, so 3 times 12. Now I can just work it out. 12 6 are 72, and 12 3s are 36. And if I now plus them, the simple little trick is 70 plus 30 is 100, and 2 plus 6 is 8. So that's going to be 108. And the unit again, guys, that's in meter. So I go to write down that is in meter square. And this is the area of this composite shape.